Well, not only that, we got another type of side hustle, Sergio. So, would you would you like to do the countdown click? Now, this is something that we're about to show you. This is or talk to you about. This is something that's actually been around, and when you hear it, you might be like, "Oh yeah, I heard of this," but it's a legit thing. And so, Sergio,
all right, people,
when are you going to become a professional cuddler?
Yeah, my new side hustle.
Yes, you could become a cuddlist. Yeah. And you can find a cuddlist. That's what they call them.
Yep.
You can become a cuddlist and cuddle with somebody who is sad and needs some cuddle buddies. So this is, it's funny, but it's actual true.
No, this exists. This is no bullshit. I'm gonna sign up. I got the permission slip from the wife, so just the shits and giggles, I'm gonna sign up. I mean, there we look at WeZoom. Yeah, your wife will absolutely hang you by the what, bro. So yeah, this is a real thing. By the way, there were like a whole bunch of them, but this is like the biggest one. One of the top two, called professional cuddle therapy. I'm laughing. I don't know why I'm laughing. This must be serious shit.
I don't know why you're laughing either, because there are some sad people out there who just need a little bit of human touch, and with the lockdowns that we've had, and hey, actually, the pandemic is over. I heard. I just heard the other day that in Biden, he said that the pandemic is over, so all lockdowns should be gone.
So what better side gig than this? There you go.
Yeah. So people who were sad over everything and just need some love, hey, it's a side hustle.
No. This is nothing to do with love. Let's not mix it up.
Yes,
I'm just gonna wear my little purple t-shirt and knock on the door, and I go, hey. So during the signing process, they have an FAQ, frequently asked questions part. So I'm gonna go through the questions, and then I was like, I go, I've never done something like this. What is the right way to cuddle? I guess whatever comes naturally, bro. I don't know. So if you're like a big husky guy like me with a lot of fat on you, I think I'll be a good cuddler. You know what I mean? Warm body heat.
Sergio there.
Yeah. And, and what is the cancellation policy? Cancellation policy is 24 hours. So I read that. Privacy policy. By the way, there's no training for this, right? So you just sign up and you just knock on somebody's door and you put some cute pictures of you. Obviously, if you're good looking like me, so you're going to have more customers. So I'm going like, okay, I put the best 27-year-old version of me. So maybe, somebody will fall for it. And they make, by the way, up to $80 an hour, Chris. I mean, wow. that beats Uber and Lyft for sure. So,
and you're not driving around, so you're not putting all that miles on your car. You're only driving to the person.
No, but the person you're cuddling could be like 25 miles away. So
yeah, but I mean, you're not driving. You're the whole thing is you're not putting that miles on your car in terms of like driving around to try to make that same $80.
No, WeZoom. I cannot click the clothing. It's not a G-string. Shut up. So what clothing should I ask? Okay. So and then these were like the more important questions for me. So what's okay, not okay to talk about during cuddle. So my preference is going to be not talk at all unless I'm spoken to. I'm going to be like a perfect little cuddler. I'm just not going to talk until I'm spoken to, just like my Uber rides. You come in, I say, good morning, good evening. You want to talk? We talk. You don't want? It's a silent ride. Let's get you A to B safely. We're done. Do we have to only cuddle? I'm assuming, yes, we do only have to cuddle, and that's it. What training do cuddlers receive? Cuddlers receive no training. I mean, you do go through. By the way, there is no background check. There's nothing on this. It's not, even a watered down background check like Uber and Lyft. There is nothing. So I'm like, okay. So what is your policy regarding hygiene? I'm like, that's a good question, right? I mean, I'm going to take my shower, but I don't know what happens to the other one. So I'm like, who knows? People have some fetishes and shit. So I'm going to be careful with that one. And what if I become uncomfortable during cuddling, I'm assuming, or want to stop? You stop, no means no. Stop. No means no. Do I have to tip? I mean, it's up to you. Just like, I have a preference, no tip, no trip. So I'm going like, I would prefer a tip, of course. And the last one that kind of hit me funny. was, what happens if I become sexually aroused during a session? I don't know. I'm just kind of, I guess go with the flow. I don't know what's going to happen, right? I mean, shit can
These
happen.
are
You're
just
telling somebody.
screenshots from the site. This isn't. We can't click them.
No, this is not made up. I didn't make these up. These are from. You guys can go sign up yourself.
You could go on the website and check.
Yeah. Can you click the last FAQ? No, I can't click any of this. It says the logical stuff. We zoom. It says, obviously, there. See, I'm gonna say it. Whatever. We're gonna get demonetized now. This is not a happy ending situation. Okay, like Hancock Park. You know what I'm saying? We zoom. So to me, I'm like, hey man, this is a side hustle. I'm showing you guys how. This is just called Show Me the Money Club. We're showing you the money. You want to do it? Do it. You don't want to do it? Don't do it. I'm gonna sign up. If I get a sucker for $80 an hour, by all means, a cash tip is appreciated. So that's it. There you go. Chris, you gonna do this?
I'm on the website right now. Where's this FAQ? Oh, found it. Code of conduct.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, tell me Zoom what it says. Yeah, there you go.
Arousal is a healthy human response to all kinds of things, including touch. It is not a problem in a non-sexual session. The important thing is that neither client nor practitioner or practitioner respond to it in a manner intended to increase arousal. It can be acknowledged or not, and simply allowed to come and go without taking focus.
What the fuck?
So basically, it's saying like, hey, it's going to happen. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You don't have to make it the main priority. And if you want to take it further, you could.
There you go. High Spy says, now I'm saying paying for a cuddler. There you go, High Spy. There you go. I'm that guy. I don't know. And then, okay, so since you have the FAQs open, right? What was the other one? We Zoom you asked?
I think it was, do we only have to cuddle?
Clothing. No, clothing. What clothing should I wear for my session? There, I think that was.
These were something that you are comfortable in. Pajama pants and sweats are popular cuddle wear. A minimum of shorts and a tank top is required for both practitioner and client.
Well, hell, if you're wearing that, then definitely that last FAQ thing is going to happen.
It could be. It could. Well, I mean, I think it might be who you might be cuddling to is going to be whether.
Yeah, Paul.
Or who's cuddling you? I mean.
Okay, you know what? I didn't read do I have to tip? Let's read that one. That's an important thing. No tip, no trip. There you go. Let's see.
Tipping is entirely up to you. It's always appreciated and never expected. No tip, no cuddle.
No tip, no cuddle. Yeah, that doesn't rhyme. But what's going to happen is that, the tips in cash, obviously, and the tip could be, I mean, you want a happy ending, a bigger tip, no tip, no cuddle. There you go. We Zoom. I mean, I don't know, man. We're way deep into the mess already.
Yeah. So, the last question we're going to go over. Do we have to only cuddle? Cuddling takes many forms. Be creative. As long as you are abiding by the code of conduct, it is allowed. Sometimes it looks like massages, playing games, dancing, singing, having a meal, reading aloud to another, or eye gazing, etc. So there you go.
There you go. Fair game. Open the doors. Here I come. Knock on your door. If you see a big guy in front of your door, it's me.
This is another thing that reminds me that there is, and I can't recommend one right now because I don't remember the name of it, but it's like hiring a friend. It's like hireafriend.com or something like that. And essentially it's basically you hire somebody to come and be your friend or hang out and go do something. So you can actually like,
I get you.
Yeah, that's for like actually like going to dinner, for like going to events and stuff like that. That's what it can be for, or like or playing games and doing stuff like that too.
That's called call girls, man.
Show me. Did you see what see Poly Drive? Show me the Cuddle Club.
There you go, baby. That's another one.
That'll be next. That'll be next.
Club. I ran into this, because we did the kid window washer who's making $8,000 a month, right?
Mm-hmm.
And charging $10 a window. If he comes anywhere near my house, I'm gonna shoot him. So I got the idea from there. So of course Google, the algorithm, because I look at a side hustle every day now. I get a different side hustle. Oh, make $40,000 a month, make $8,000 a year, make $3,000 a day. So you know what? We should do a segment every week. Since it's the Show Me the Money Club, we should do a segment of a new side hustle.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, we'll do. I think that's a good idea. We'll do that.
Yeah, there you go. So Cuddlist is the side hustle of the week, people. Last week was window washing, and no startup cost on this. Okay, window washing, you just need like a little Windex and a bucket and water and a mop or some squeegee. This one, you just need pajamas. Boom, $80 an hour. Who's paying you that?
Well, here. This is. You said that there was no training. There is training. Our practitioner complete an in-person or online orientation training course with ongoing mentorship and support as they continue to grow in their practice. If possible, they're expected to attend at least one cuddle party workshop and encouraged to continue to improve their self-awareness and communication skills. We're not able to make promises or guarantees about the quality of your cuddle experience.
Yeah, we don't guarantee your cuddle experience. Like I could crush you or...
Now, I want to like, can I actually, I just want to know where they're located. Like, is this just in California or can I do this in Buffalo?
I don't know.
Texas,
but you know what?
Maryland,
If you do professional cuddler on Google, now you're going to get bombarded because there are so many companies that are doing this. This is the new grinder. Yeah, Cheeky Chops. This is above Tinder, baby. There you go.
You know, here's the thing. You might poke fun at this, but again, this is actually something where people are looking for legit cuddle.
Yes, they are.
Some people just like touch and they can't get it,
you know?
And or they're just lonely.
You know, when people come in your car, they have that little lap dog. It's an emotional support dog, right?
Yeah.
I call BS on that because that dog has no paperwork as an emotional support dog. So I'm going to be the emotional cuddle dog of a person who needs my help. And the parrot pirate says the world has gone to the toilet. Yes, it has. So I was going oh my God. Yeah.
Oh no, there is actually a cost for this.
What do you mean?
There is a cost for this. I just clicked on become a cuddleist. There is a cost. I'm looking at it. Pricing and certification.
They take a commission. They take a commission like Uber.
Oh no. Online cuddleist training is $149, one-time non-refundable fee. And a Cuddleist membership by getting your own cuddle profile listed on cuddleist.com is $40 a month or $39.99. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.